English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 56.
English uses conditional sentences to talk about possibilities. Use the first conditional or the second conditional depending on how likely the situation is.
If I see Catherine, I'll invite her to the meeting. If I ran the company, I'd give all my staff a bonus. If I learn English really well, it will help me in my job. If I got a big bonus at work, I would give half the money to charity. If Karen got a job in Italy, she would have to sell her house and move. If they don't hire more staff, their employees will be overworked. If I get an interview, I will buy a new suit.
If you let me know that you want to come, I'll book tickets today. If I were you, I'd stop eating so much junk food and join a gym. If he was a better listener, he'd realise that I'm not happy in my job. If I feel lonely or bored, I'll video call my brother in New Zealand. If we were very rich, we'd go on a round-the-world trip. If they have time to spare before the train leaves, they'll go shopping.
Okay, Carlos. In this part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about what you would do in different situations. Okay?
Okay.
Great. First of all, what would you do if your most important client was rude and aggressive?
If someone was very rude to me, I would try to stay calm and not be rude back.
And what if someone was aggressive?
I would let them finish what they were saying, then say goodbye and leave the room. Later, I would send them an email giving them my point of view.
Would you tell your boss?
Only if I wanted to make a formal complaint.
Okay. Next question. If your boss was on vacation and you needed to make an important decision, what would you do?
If my boss liked to be in control of every tiny detail, I would send him or her an email.
What if you couldn't contact your boss?
I would always take my time before reaching a decision and make a list of factors I need to consider.
That's great.
I'll give some thought to the new proposal. They held a meeting to discuss the committee's decision. He set the goals for his team to meet this week.
Two, all staff. Subject: new store opening in Lakewood. At the beginning of the financial year, the company held discussions to decide on our plans for the year. It was agreed that we would give priority to opening a new store in Lakewood. The store needs significant renovation. I have contacted 3 building companies about this. We will need to set limits on how much the renovation costs, and hold off on starting the works until we have planned our budget. We have also hired a new manager for the store, Amy Turner. Staff from headquarters will join her in the first few weeks after opening to train her and give some help. The process has gone extremely smoothly so far, and we hope this will set a precedent for all new stores we open in the future. Regards, Jack Milton.
The 2 governments will hold talks in the spring. I've never really given much thought to working overseas, but I wouldn't mind. I'm sorry, I can't give you extra time off. It would set a precedent. Let's think about what we want to achieve this year and set some goals. I think we should hold a meeting with our supplier to talk about prices. Janice, please could you give some help to Hakeem? It's his first day today. Let's hold off on making big decisions until we have all the facts. We've set limits on the number of new people we can hire this year. This year, we need to give priority to boosting sales in all our markets.
He gave priority to the biggest client. They gave priority to the biggest client. He set limits on the new budget. They set limits on the new budget. He held a meeting last Wednesday. They held a meeting last Wednesday.
End of lesson 56.